Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you a super simple way to optimize your YouTube video descriptions and transcripts for SEO without over-optimizing. And the best part is, it's completely free. Before we jump into it, please hit the like button and subscribe. And definitely check the description for some helpful tools I've added for you. To get started, open the YouTube Keyword Density Checker tool using the link I've added in the description box. Once the tool opens, as you can see, there is a main text box labeled Video Description or Transcript. Below that, you'll find an optional input field labeled Target Keyword. Now, copy and paste your video description or transcript into the main text area, type in your main focus phrase into the target keyword box, and click on the red Check Density button. The tool will instantly process your text and generate a detailed density analysis breakdown. At the top, it displays 4 clear metric cards showing your total words, keyword count, percentage density, and an overall status rating like optimal. If you scroll down to the top words found section, you'll find a complete breakdown table listing the top words used in your description, their exact count, and their individual density percentage, with your target keywords highlighted with a red badge. This makes it super easy to ensure your secondary keywords appear naturally without triggering YouTube's keyword stuffing algorithm.